Don't overwork the dough. The way we do that is by counting the strokes. The butter was just added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The shortening. Add the shortening. 2/3 cups. Crisco. Are we having fun? Yes, we are. Also added, believe it or not, a little seasoning for this pie crust. Alright, now that was 3 strokes. 10 already. Do not overwork the dough. 1, 2, 3. We're breaking up the Crisco. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're up to 30 strokes. And it looks... Okay, we're almost there. I'm serious about this. We've been overworking the dough for I don't know how long. What is my mixing bowl? It is the bowl for the KitchenAid mixer. 40 to 50 strokes. Ready to put the flour mixture into the kitchen mixer. Add a 1/2 cup ice cold water with a small amount of vodka. So what can we know now working with this dough ball? The moisture level seems perfect. We're going to roll one ball, cut it in half, wrap it, and put it in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching.